The office redefined: sunsets, skylines, Wi-Fi signals. Imagine your morning commute is a short, sandy stroll from your bungalow to a beachside cafe, waves lapping, not traffic. Your desk for the day is a weathered wooden table, your laptop screen reflecting swaying palm trees. This isn't a vacation screensaver, it's Tuesday. For many, the corner office is now a corner of the world. Deadlines met between surf sessions and conference calls with ancient ruins backdrops. At its core, digital nomadism is a simple concept that merges modern technology with the age-old desire for travel. A digital nomad is someone who uses telecommunications technologies to earn a living and conducts their life in a nomadic manner, stripped of the jargon, location independent. Your job isn't tied to a specific physical office work from anywhere with a reliable internet connection. This could mean slow traveling through Southeast Asia for 6 months, spending a winter snowboarding in Canada, moving to a different city in your home country every few weeks. This lifestyle is not an extended vacation. That is a critical distinction to make right from the start. While it offers incredible opportunities for exploration and leisure, work remains a central, non-negotiable component. Digital nomads are professionals: software developers, graphic designers, writers, marketers, virtual assistants, online teachers, entrepreneurs. They have clients, deadlines, and responsibilities just like anyone in a traditional job. The key difference is the where and when of their work. A typical day for a digital nomad is anything but typical. It's a personalized blend of work and life. Let's imagine a day in Chiang Mai, Thailand. The morning might begin not with an alarm clock, but with the gentle sunlight filtering through the curtains. After a quick breakfast of fresh tropical fruit from the local market, the workday starts. The first few hours are dedicated to deep work, tackling the most demanding tasks while the mind is fresh. This could be coding a new feature, writing a marketing report, or meeting with a client over a video call, all from the comfort of a quiet, air-conditioned apartment or a nearby co-working space. As the midday heat intensifies, it's time for a break that truly recharges the soul. Instead of a sad desk lunch, our nomad might hop on a scooter and head to a favorite local eatery for a delicious and incredibly affordable bowl of khao soi. The afternoon could be spent exploring a hidden temple, taking a Thai cooking class, or simply relaxing by the pool. This break isn't just downtime, it's an integral part of the experience, providing inspiration and preventing burnout. The work schedule is flexible, so if an amazing opportunity arises, like joining a last-minute trip to an elephant sanctuary, the workday can be shifted to the evening. For every stunning photo of a laptop by the ocean, there's an unseen story of struggle. One of the biggest challenges digital nomads face is loneliness. Constantly surrounded by new places and new faces, these interactions can feel transient and superficial. Building deep, meaningful friendships takes time and effort. Constant movement makes it hard to build the supportive community you had at home. The freedom of being alone can curdle into the ache of isolation, especially during holidays or when you're sick. Missing family milestones, birthdays, weddings, Sunday dinners. Then there are logistical gremlins, travel blogs, skip. Unreliable internet is the arch enemy. A Wi-Fi signal that looks strong can drop mid-presentation, causing huge stress and risking your reputation. Person stressed, head in hands, laptop screen shows no internet connection. You learn backup plans, cafes with solid Wi-Fi carrying a portable hotspot. So, to really thrive as a digital nomad, you'll need a solid toolkit of both digital and practical resources. Your technology is, honestly, your lifeline, so investing in the right gear is just non-negotiable. It all starts with a lightweight, powerful, and reliable laptop. And, a good pair of noise-canceling headphones is essential for creating your own bubble of focus, whether you're in a noisy cafe or a co-working space. A portable power bank can seriously be a lifesaver when you're working on the go, and outlets are, well, nowhere to be found. And finally, a portable Wi-Fi hotspot, or a phone with a great international data plan, is your ultimate backup, making sure you can get online even when the local connection lets you down. The right software and apps can really help streamline your workflow and keep you organized across different time zones. Project management tools like Trello, Asana, Notion are crucial for tracking tasks and collaborating with teams. Communication is key, so you'll basically live on platforms like Slack and Zoom. For managing all those time zones, an app like timezone.io, or even a simple world clock widget, is honestly indispensable for scheduling meetings without waking up a client in the middle of their night. And cloud storage services like Google Drive, The financial side of digital nomadism is often misunderstood. Many assume it's either incredibly expensive or impossibly cheap. The truth lies somewhere in the middle and depends on lifestyle and location. Geographic arbitrage is a huge advantage, earning a strong currency US dollars euros, while living somewhere much cheaper. $3,000 a month can feel tight in New York City, but stretch far in Vietnam or Mexico. It can cover a nice apartment, food, transportation, entertainment, and still leave money for savings. But you must control your budget. Hidden costs can derail plans fast. Flights, visa fees, travel insurance, currency conversion fees, a broken laptop, a medical emergency. A detailed budget isn't optional, it's necessary. The romantic image of the solitary wanderer is appealing, but the reality is that humans are social creatures. The most successful and happiest digital nomads are those who build community wherever they go. That's the secret ingredient that turns a lonely trip into a sustainable lifestyle. One of the easiest ways to plug into a new social scene is by joining a co-working space. Co-working is more than a place to work. It's a community hub that hosts events, workshops, and social gatherings. It gives you a ready-made network of like-minded people. Beyond co-working spaces, technology helps you connect with others. Apps like meetup.com help you find groups for hiking, board games, language exchange, or coding. The digital nomad dream isn't just a theory, it's being lived out by thousands of people. Collage. Anna, Ben and Chloe, Marcus. Consider the story of Anna, a graphic designer from Canada. Feeling burnt out by agency life and long, dark winters, she sold most of her belongings and booked a one-way ticket to Mexico. She started by taking on small freelance projects, gradually building a roster of loyal clients who valued her work, not her location. Today, 5 years later, she runs her own successful design business from a small surf town on the Pacific coast. Her workday ends at 2 p.m., leaving her afternoons free for surfing, practicing her Spanish, and volunteering at a local sea turtle conservation project. Then there's Ben and Chloe, a couple from the UK who were tired of their expensive London life and dual corporate commutes. They negotiated to take their jobs fully remote and decided to explore Southeast Asia. After exploring the sun-drenched highs and the challenging lows, the ultimate question remains: is the digital nomad life for you? This lifestyle is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's perfect for those who are independent, self-motivated, who thrive on change and uncertainty. If you are adaptable, resourceful, and feel more energized than anxious at the thought of navigating a new city on your own, you might be a great fit. However, if you deeply crave stability, routine, or the comfort of having close friends and family nearby, the realities of this lifestyle might be more draining than dreamy. Work from anywhere doesn't mean work from everywhere. Sustainability matters. The best nomads aren't running from something, they're running toward a life they designed. Community is portable when you know where to find it. Ultimately, being a digital nomad is about embracing a mindset of freedom and responsibility. It's the freedom to choose your surroundings, your schedule, and your daily adventures. But it's also the responsibility to remain productive, manage your own finances and logistics, and be a respectful visitor in the places you temporarily call home. It's a conscious trade-off, swapping the perceived security and structure of a traditional life for the unparalleled richness of a life lived on your own terms, filled with constant learning, growth, and a much wider perspective on the world and your place within it. Is this lifestyle for you? Start with a trial run, build remote skills, save a starter fund. Encourage yourself to research, plan, and take the leap if it aligns with your values. The path is there, paved with both Wi-Fi and wonder. The first step is yours to take. Design a life where work supports dreams. A fulfilling career and travel are not mutually exclusive. This is about intentional living, not escapism. The world is to live and work in, not just visit. Want to learn more? Sign up to get your free sales funnel template at listupro.com. Get sales funnel template free.